Hello children, today we are going to read the second lesson from our English textbook Learning English. So the name of lesson is The Poor Little Girl. So let's start. A young girl, Meena, was going to the market. She had a pitcher of milk on her head. She wanted to sell it. She thought, with the money that I get, I will buy a hen that lays eggs. The eggs will hatch and I will have many more chickens to raise. The chickens will be hens very soon and lay many more eggs. She could not count how many hens she would have one day. She thought, I will be rich very soon and I will wear emeralds and rubies from collar to toe. I shall visit the queen and give her many gifts. The queen would be happy. I will enter the court with my arms full of treasure. I shall bow to the queen and say, for your majesty's pleasure. And she bowed. The pitcher fell on the road and was broken into pieces. All the milk was splattered with it. Her dreams were shattered too. Children, a girl named Meena was going to sell the pot filled with milk in the market. बच्चों, मीना नाम की एक लड़की दूध से भरे एक घड़े को बाजार में बेचने के लिए जाती है. On the way, she was thinking that by selling this milk, she would buy hens from the money she received, and those hens will raise more chickens. In this way, she will become very rich and will wear ruby and emerald from head to toes. रास्ते में जाते जाते वह सोचती है कि इस दूध के घड़े को बेचने से जो पैसे मिलेंगे उनसे वह अंडे देने वाली मुर्गी खरीदेगी, जिसके अंडों से चूजे निकलेंगे. ऐसे करके उसके पास एक दिन ढेर सारी मुर्गियां हो जाएंगी और वह उन मुर्गियों को बेचकर बहुत अमीर हो जाएगी और वह खुद के लिए खूब सारे रूबी और पन्नों के गहने खरीदेगी. Then she will go to meet the queen with many gifts, which will make the queen very happy, and she will bow to the queen and greet her. फिर वो रानी के पास जाएगी ढेर सारे तोहफों के साथ, जिससे रानी उसे देख के खुश हो जाएंगी और फिर वो रानी का सर झुका के अभिवादन भी स्वीकार करेगी. Oh, then she actually bowed her head and the pot fell down and milk was splattered and her dream also remains incomplete. लेकिन ये क्या हुआ? वह सोचते सोचते सच में सर झुका देती है और उसका सारा दूध का घड़ा रोड पर गिर जाता है और उसका सपना भी ऐसे अधूरा ही रह जाता है. Children, the moral of the story is we should believe in our hard works only, more than dreaming. Only then will our dreams come true. So now let us learn some word meanings. First word, pitcher. Pitcher means a pot, ghada. Second word, splatter. Splatter means dash a liquid upon or against. Chalakna. Third word, treasure. Treasure means precious thing. खजाना, जो ऐसी चीजें जो बहुत ज्यादा कीमती हों. Let us do some question answer. First question is, where was Meena going? Answer is, Meena was going to the market. Second question, what was she carrying with her? Answer is, she had a pitcher of milk on her head. Third question, what would she buy after selling the milk? Answer is, she will buy a hen that lays eggs. Now, fourth question is, what would she do with her hens? Answer is, she will raise more chickens from those hens' eggs. Now, children, complete the following sentences from chapter. First sentence, a young girl, Meena, was going to the dash. Where she was going? She was going to the market. A young girl, Meena, was going to the market. Second sentence, Meena had a dash of milk on her dash. Meena had a pitcher of milk on her head. Third sentence, the pitcher fell on the dash and was broken. The pitcher fell on the road and was broken. Now children, let us learn about uses of this, that, these and those. So, this and these are used for persons, animals, places and things which are near. That and those are used for persons, animals, places and things which are far. Children, this and that are used for one person or thing. And these and those are used for more than one person or things. For example, this is an apple. That is an apple. These are apples. Those are apples. Now children, note down your homework. Fill in the blanks with these, that, these and those. And next homework is, find the words that are used in the story from the table given below.